What is going on, guys? So I'm not gonna waste anyone's time. Let's hop right into it. So here I have my ads manager open for you guys, and we're gonna hop into my Shopify store. And the first day that I ran ads for this specific product, we made over $60 with like $20 spent using this new strategy that I've been using for a couple months now, testing it out. So here I'm on my Shopify dashboard showing you guys exactly that. With only 2 orders, we were able to double our money basically. The first day was actually 2, 4, 3x ROAS. So I just started running ads on this today, and it's a brand new store. As you guys can see, June 1st, June 2nd, June 3rd, I wasn't running any ads to it, any traffic or any sales, right? So here we're on my ads manager, and the first day, I'm gonna show you guys, so you guys don't know I'm not fucking with you guys. We were only testing, so I was extremely surprised that we spent less than $20, $19, and we got a $60 return. Here on the ads manager, it only shows $49 made, but with the shipping and insurance that I added and people bought, I obviously got a little bit more profit. So here only 2 ad sets made sales, and with the cost per purchase of $2 the first day, okay? So each of those ad sets spent $2 and got one sale of $24.99, which is a ROAS of over 11. So that's crazy, right? Especially from a lot of people testing out, they never make sales, which is just mind-blowing to me, because obviously you guys aren't following a blueprint or a structure that actually works. So here I actually have 2 ad sets, or actually correction, I have 2 adverts that I'm actually running and testing for each individual ad set. So that's another thing that you guys need to take note on. Don't just test one ad creative, make sure to test multiple of them. So now the second day, okay? So the second day, I'm gonna go here on my ads manager and show you guys. The second day we spent $22, or actually, is that, yeah, $22 and made back 49 according to Facebook, but we actually made $60 here, like I'm showing you guys on my dashboard, because of, first of all, the upsell, right? I have a warranty that I upsell them, and also just shipping, right? I charge for shipping, and also express shipping and like another tracked insured shipping, which adds up. So here, those first 2 days, we're already at $100 with less than $40 spent. So that is over a 2x ROAS, but just to be safe here, I said a 2x ROAS. And as you guys can see, I'm only getting like 18 people to the website today only, right? The second day of running ads, which is crazy, but that's because, like I'm going to show you guys, we're running lookalike audiences for a previous product that I tried testing out but didn't do anything. It was a losing product, but we're using that data to leverage this new product. Can you guys see my dog? What's up, Simon? So yeah, second day we spent around $22 and made back $60, but Facebook only tracked $49 made. But like I showed you guys in the dashboard, it was over 60. And here we're still getting the same $2 cost per purchase, which is insane. These are the type of cost per purchases I was getting like a year ago, which is crazy that it's still happening to this day with only 18 visitors. So the conversion rate on that is just crazy, right? Now, the third day, okay, this is where it gets interesting, because here we're up now $75 for the day with only 29 visitors, which is a crazy conversion rate like I'm about to show you guys, with only 3 orders. But the truth is, and the reality is, yo, how much did I spend on ads, right? Because that's the question you guys are gonna be asking me. So we spent $18 on advertisements using Facebook ads, like I just showed you guys right here, and it only tracked 2 purchases, but that's fine, because on the Shopify dashboard it shows that obviously we made $70 back this day, but we spent around $18, I believe it says, and we got $70 back, which is over 2x ROAS like I showed you guys. But to keep it safe, I said 2x ROAS inside of the title and, you know, wherever you clicked on here. But here again, we're getting very low cost for purchases, insane, 74 cents and 86 cents. And the difference between why this is a winner and why I'm able to scale this up, as you guys are going to see in the next couple weeks, I'm gonna take this to over $10,000 in sales in one day, is because I'm using data that I have already paid for. So the difference is between a lot of the people and a lot of you guys that aren't getting any type of crazy results like you guys wish you were, is because of this. You guys aren't using the data you guys have already paid for to your advantage. Now, let me go ahead. This is the case study. I was going to only plan on releasing it and giving it out to my students, but I have another better case study for them. And this is the one I wanted to show to my YouTube family because it's a lot easier to replicate. And even better, it's actually something that's more realistic to some of you guys because I show huge numbers on my Instagram and YouTube, and 30K in 7 days might just seem outrageous to you, but these numbers might seem obtainable. So that's why I went and showed this to my YouTube family. So you guys are in for a special one, right? So what kind of product is this, okay? Before I hop into the Facebook ads and all that, what type of product is this? The type of product that I'm selling is a very emotional product, and it has to do with, you know, people really gravitating and like when they see my ad, when they see the advert, it's gonna remind them of something emotional, which will then trigger them to purchase my product as a solution. So that is the hint that I'm going to give you guys, and that is the type of products you guys should start going for. I know the products that solve problems are also really great, but even better, emotional products that solve a problem are crazy because first of all, people don't buy because of logic, they buy because of emotions. So you want to get those emotions out of your customer so they go ahead and buy your product. Second thing, it has a wow factor. So when they see my product and they see my ad for it, they're like, wow, I've never seen this before, which leads me on to my third point, which you cannot buy it in stores. So they're like, wow, where can I get this product, right? I've never seen it at Walmart, never seen it at Costco, never seen it on Amazon. Wow, okay. Third thing, it's a very low ticket product compared to the products I usually sell, which are like $50, $90, $200, $500 products. This one is a very low ticket product, which is a $24 product, which gives me a lower break even point, which is why I'm getting those crazy cost per purchases of 74 cents, right? So another thing, how I actually found this product was by just scrolling on my Facebook newsfeed and through all these meme pages, which actually I have a special Instagram and Facebook account where I just scroll and click on every single dropshipping ad and follow all these dropshipping pages. So also Facebook categorizes that specific page as an engaged shopper because I'm always clicking on the shop now button, all right? So another key point, the supplier I'm using for this specific product gives me USPS shipping, 7-day shipping, okay? To the US for like $3. So that's crazy because the lookalike audiences that I'm running for this product are all to the US. So then one thing, the drop shipping method is gonna be a lot more scalable because my customers are actually going to receive the product, unlike the traditional drop shipping method using AliExpress, which takes like 30 days, months for the product to get to your customer. This specific supplier that I'm using gives me 7-day shipping to the US, which is going to allow me to create incredible profits. So what type of store is this? The type of store that this is a one product hybrid store. So it's one product that I'm selling, like I showed you guys, and I'm starting to include other related products so people can go ahead and add them as a bundle. But as of now, it's just a one product store using the minimal theme, which is a free theme Shopify allows you to get, okay? So I started this off as a developmental store or development store, which is actually, all that is me. I'm a Shopify partner and affiliate for Shopify, which is why I give you guys a free trial in the link in the description, which then allows me to create stores as a development shop, testing out apps or just testing out a theme. And they actually give me the Shopify plan free for up to 50 orders. So with that development store plan, I also get to use a lot of the apps for free, like Luke's and a whole bunch of different ones, because they allow you to use it free when you're using a development store. So that's another hack that I used. So the store itself is very luxurious looking. It's simple and minimal, and I have a black and white color palette, so it just looks luxury, right? Also, I'm only using 2 Shopify apps, Luke's Reviews and volume and tier discounts, which just basically allows people to, if they buy 2 or more, they get a 20% discount. If they buy 3 or more or 1 or more, so something like that. And another key thing is that the product descriptions are simple as fuck, right? I don't have too much stuff on it. It all includes mostly GIFs, a couple words here and there, and pictures, GIFs and pictures, because people are visualizers, visual learners, or whatever you want to call it. People like to look at pictures. We hate reading now in 2020, 2019, so take that into account. The next thing, how I run the Facebook ads and how I actually launch them. I launch 1 through 10%, all of them, so 10 ad sets. There's 75% video view lookalikes from my previous losing product. Yes, I said losing product. So I tested out a product a couple days ago, and the product, I spent like $1,000 on it, and it wasn't doing as great as I expected. So I used that data, the video view lookalikes, because it's a similar product, and actually launched this new product with those 75% video view lookalikes. So I'm doing 10 ad sets at $5 a day, and each ad set has the same 2 adverts. So each ad set has one ad copy, then another ad copy, different videos. So after each of those get 3 sales, what I'm going to do is duplicate the ad sets 10 times, which is crazy, right? But each time an ad set gets 3 or more sales, I duplicate it 10 times, because that's how I'm going to be able to scale rapidly. And also after that, and after those start doing really good, I'm gonna launch the 95% video view lookalikes from the last losing product again, because I haven't built enough data for this specific video that I'm using right now. I'm gonna probably launch the video view lookalikes for the new product video when it reaches around 50 to 100 sales. But that is it for the video. If you guys did find the value, go take action right now, because that's the only way you're going to be able to make money and double your ad spend, okay? So with that being said, if you stuck all the way to the end, I want to say I appreciate you. Also, we do a giveaway for a one-on-one consulting call with myself. If you want to be able to win that, go ahead and comment down below, #everydayismonday, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Every day is Monday, and let's go make this money together.